Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there, which typically shows either your profile picture or the first letter of your name in a colored circle. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu that contains various account-related options and settings. This menu gives you quick access to manage your Chrome profile, switch between different accounts, and control your sync settings. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Sign Out. This is usually positioned prominently in the menu, making it easy to spot. Clicking on Sign Out is essential because it disconnects your Google account from Chrome, which means your browsing history, bookmarks, and other synced data will no longer be accessible from this browser session. Now simply click on the Sign Out option. Chrome will immediately process your request and sign you out of your account. This means that any personalized settings, saved passwords, and synced information associated with your Google account will no longer be active in this browser. This is particularly useful if you're using a shared computer or simply want to switch to a different account. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of your Chrome account, ensuring your personal data and browsing information are no longer accessible from this browser session. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.